Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1937 Ford. Got Steve here, the owner of many years, right Steve?
Yeah, since 1997.
Wow. And you built it all yourself too, huh?
Yep, built the whole car from scratch.
Wow. Crazy. So tell us about it.
It's a Bagattis body.
Okay.
It's a LT1 Corvette motor, 1994. 4L60E transmission.
Cool.
It's a Cuddy rear end, Ford 9-inch, 373 gears, 4-link system in it. It's got 13 hides of leather.
Wow.
In the trunk and the interior, all custom done. It's got Dakota digital instrumentation.
Gauges.
It's got air conditioning, heat.
Rack and pinion.
Rack and pinion.
Nice big aluminum radiator.
Got a Griffin radiator.
Love the Halibrands, they're beautiful. Highly polished. How many miles do you have on the build about?
About 2,000.
That's it, huh?
Went to many shows.
That is pretty. What is the color blue? What is that from? Almost
Color
looks...
blue is Gran Sport blue from 1996 Corvette.
Corvette. Gran Sport. Wow. And you had the flames painted in and everything?
The flames are custom done by Gary, the local brush, a local artist.
Oh, Gary.
Yes.
Yeah, I know Gary. I love how he did the flames all the way through the jams and everything.
Yeah, to continue right through the jams.
Beautiful job. How long did it take you to build it?
It took me like 2 years to build it.
Man. So many nice little subtle things, like these taillights. I mean, they say Ford right in the middle of it. Where are they from?
They came with a 1994 Taurus side marker light, and I custom molded them in.
Very cool.
Stainless steel exhaust system.
You got a coil over in the back?
Yes, coil overs front and back.
You got tubulars up upper and lower.
Front lowers, yes.
Are those spinners? And they're spinners for the cap only, right?
Exactly, right.
Yeah,
the lugs are underneath it.
Cool. Yeah, what a pretty car. Great job. Yeah, what an accomplishment.
Thank you.
Hot rod mirrors, hot rod wipers, door poppers, trunk popper, hood popper, power windows, tilt wheel, beautifully polished wheel. Leather wrap to match the theme of the interior. Power seat.
Yes, power seats.
A lot of room in here too. How tall are you? 6'2"?
About 6'1", 6'2", yeah.
Not many of these hot rods really fit the big guys, man.
Yeah. Plenty of room.
Really nicely done. Dakota digital dash. 3,329 miles. 1997.
Original, yes, sir.
Wow. That is awesome. Let's check out under the hood. So it's a 94 Corvette motor, you said?
Corvette LT1.
Yeah.
With a 4L60E transmission. Well, it's not the same vehicle.
Yeah. Fuel injected, headers, electronic ignition.
All the wires are hidden, nothing exposed.
Beautifully done, wow. Gorgeous. Let's check out the trunk. Finished. Man, a lot of leather, huh?
All leather, complete. Storage compartment for the stereo. Batteries inside.
Cool. Love it. Nicely done, Steve. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot. Thanks again, Steve. Beautiful car.
Thank you.